Clinical biochemistry is undergoing a remarkable transformation, driven by cutting-edge innovations that are reshaping the landscape of laboratory diagnostics. In just the past few years, these advancements have accelerated the pace of diagnosis, improved precision, and enhanced patient outcomes in ways previously unimaginable. Let's take a closer look at 10 recent breakthroughs that are revolutionizing clinical biochemistry and changing the way medical laboratories operate worldwide. Number one of the most significant developments is the introduction of high-sensitivity troponin T and I assays. These next-generation tests are now capable of detecting heart attacks hours earlier than traditional methods. By identifying even trace amounts of troponin in the blood, clinicians can intervene rapidly, minimizing heart muscle damage and significantly improving survival rates for cardiac patients. Number two, another groundbreaking advancement is the integration of next-generation sequencing, or NGS, into routine biochemical panels. NGS technology enables laboratories to analyze a patient's genetic material with unprecedented depth and accuracy. This means inherited metabolic disorders and even cancer risks can now be detected with precision, paving the way for personalized treatment plans tailored to each individual's genetic makeup. Number three, in the field of neurodegenerative diseases, the use of cerebrospinal fluid biomarkers, such as beta amyloid and tau proteins, has opened new avenues for early Alzheimer's detection. These biochemical markers allow laboratories to identify the disease before clinical symptoms appear, giving patients and their families precious time to plan and initiate treatment strategies. Number four, artificial intelligence is also making its mark in clinical biochemistry. AI-powered platforms are being used to interpret complex laboratory results, flag critical values, and even suggest potential diagnoses in real time. By analyzing vast data sets and identifying subtle patterns, AI helps clinicians make faster and more accurate decisions, reducing diagnostic errors and streamlining workflow. Number five, point-of-care testing devices represent a leap forward in accessibility and speed. Portable analyzers now provide immediate results for key parameters like glucose, electrolytes, and kidney function, right at the patient's bedside, in ambulances, or even in remote clinics. This real-time data empowers healthcare providers to make rapid, informed decisions, especially in emergency settings. Number six, liquid biopsy techniques have emerged as a non-invasive alternative for cancer diagnostics. By analyzing circulating tumor DNA from a simple blood sample, laboratories can detect cancer mutations and monitor treatment response without the need for invasive tissue biopsies. This advance offers patients a safer, more comfortable way to track their disease over time. Number seven, the adoption of dried blood spot testing and remote sample collection has made laboratory diagnostics accessible to populations in rural and underserved areas. Patients can now collect a small blood sample at home and send it to the lab via mail, eliminating the need for travel and making routine screening possible even during public health crises like the COVID-19 pandemic. Number eight, advanced mass spectrometry technologies such as LC-MS, MS have expanded the range of substances that laboratories can detect and quantify. From hormones and drugs to rare metabolic compounds, these instruments provide ultra-high sensitivity and specificity, enabling precise monitoring of complex conditions and therapies. Number nine, mental health diagnostics are also benefiting from biochemical innovation. Laboratories can now measure biomarkers like cortisol and serotonin to help assess chronic stress, depression, and mood disorders. These tests provide objective data that complements clinical assessments, supporting early intervention and personalized care. Number 10, finally, the implementation of automated sample tracking and laboratory information system integration has revolutionized lab operations. Automated labeling, tracking, and digital reporting minimize human error and streamline workflow, creating an efficient, transparent diagnostic process from sample collection to result delivery. In summary, these 10 advancements, from AI-powered interpretation and rapid point-of-care devices to early Alzheimer's biomarkers and remote diagnostics, are making clinical biochemistry more accurate, responsive, and patient-centered than ever before. As laboratories continue to innovate, the future of medical diagnostics looks brighter, smarter, and more accessible to all. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the latest breakthroughs in clinical biochemistry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed about the future of medical laboratory sciences.